Hello, people. So this video I'm just recording because for the past since yesterday, in fact, the net has not been working for me. Yeah, so it's pretty pointless to. Normally, I like to record and then soon upload, but I think I'll just record it and upload it after a century, I think. But really, people. So yesterday I read this book. I finished reading this book called Ishigo Ishe, which is a Japanese concept about living in the moment. And it's the authors are the same ones who've written the Ikigai, that book, right? So Ishe basically implies that any moment that is lost is never going to come back again. And human nature is such that we are either living in the past or the future, but the present is something we just forget. And even as I'm recording this, I'm thinking it's true, right? I mean, the moment you lose this moment, it's gone forever. So it is a book that will make you think and reflect. But yeah, Ishigo Ishe, so like any of these Japanese concepts, it's very soothing. So that would be my review of the book. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.